Hey guys, this is Yoganshu Raikre from 4th year. I'm senior coordinator of Asteria Club, and I am here to share my part of experience with this club. So when I was in second year for my college, I got to know about the club openings for the very first time in our college. We went to the notice board and wanted to see which all clubs are there, and there we saw our club name, that is Asteria, and the in charge for that club was Professor Radhika. My interest toward the club and the very fact that the in charge is Radhika ma'am is what made me do register with that club. After 2-3 sessions of the Asteria club, there was the inauguration for this club, for which the club had invited two senior scientists from the ISRO, that is Dr. Sita and Dr. V. Girish, and we had a wonderful experience with them. So after the inauguration of a club, the club has organized a trip which I think I'll never forget in my life. We went to the ISRO UR Rao Satellite Center. Okay, so where we got to know about all the past activities and the future plans of the ISRO. Also, we got to know about the ISRO launch vehicles and the satellites. After that, we were shown Chandrayaan 2 lander, orbiter, and the rover, which were going under final test at ISRO labs. So that was very memorable for me. After that, in third year, I think third year is very lucky for me because I had been promoted from club member to the club coordinator, which I think I was very honored with that. And the same year, we got our own very first telescope. As being the coordinator of the club, the responsibility of the telescope came on our shoulder. We took the telescope to the terrace and we had our own sessions with the moon and the stars. So after successful 2-3 trials, we had the inauguration of the telescope, where we invited Dean of DSU, Assistant Dean, Director of Research, and chairmen of all the departments. Then after we had several sessions with the telescopes. We even tried for Jupiter and Saturn's, but due to some issues we couldn't do it. And after that, then comes this trip in early 2020, where we went to Vainubappu Observatory at Kavallur, Tamil Nadu. Frankly speaking, I had never been to any college trip or any school trip for that long, so that journey was very special to me. Once we reached there, we were sent to our rooms, and there we rested. After that, the same day we got an opportunity to see their telescopes, and next day at the night time, we were shown Venus and Orion constellation with their and many more things with their 14-inch telescopes. Uh, that trip was very special and really meant to me, and I think for others also. So as we know our current situation, that is going under pandemic, so we wanted to continue our club activities, and for that we have created our YouTube page, name under DSU SOE